Hello, welcome back to Run the Atlas. We are in gorgeous Lompoc in Santa Barbara County.
It has so much to offer, top-class wines. We're gonna show you some of the best bits. Come and join us in this sunny, beautiful weekend escape.
Lompoc is situated 1 hour north of the city of Santa Barbara in California's central coast. It has strong Native American, Spanish, and Mexican influences. In fact, the word Lompoc is the Chumash word for land of many lakes. You'll see much of this history at the La Purísima Mission, established in 1787. Some of the best wines in California are produced right here, and Lompoc is known for its relaxing way of life and uncrowded natural beauty. If you've seen the film Sideways, it was filmed right here and put Pinot Noirs on the map. We've learned so much from our many travels to Lompoc. In fact, we have one of the top YouTube videos on the region, and today we're passing on our knowledge to you so you can plan for your trip. All right, so we are here in August and we are overlooking the Babcock property. Look at the beautiful valley below. The land is so green and fertile, and this is the perfect time to come here because the grapes are just ready for harvest very, very soon. Lompoc is very scenic and hilly. In fact, the valleys run an unusual east to west configuration versus the normal north to south due to seismic activity. It also has a patchwork of microclimates, so you'll see vegetation dotted throughout the hills. Now let's talk about the reason you're probably visiting Lompoc, the wine. Wine growing here started in the 80s and grew from literally nothing to almost $1 billion industry. The winemakers here are dreamers. The movie Sideways put this region and Pinot Noirs on the map, and today there are 7 AVAs in Santa Barbara County. One of the components that makes this a great wine growing region is the soil. The soil is a mix of sand, clay, and ancient diatomaceous earth, which is fossilized seashells that look similar to chalk. It helps give the wines a natural acidity, minerality, and firm structure. You can hear the birds behind us, and we are at Foley Estates, and you can see the grapes here are fully ripened, ready to be picked very soon. The winemakers here take great pride in their craft. If you're looking to visit a winery, here are our recommendations. The Foley Estates was founded in the 90s and has a beautiful property. Sanford, one of the most beautiful vineyards we visited here, offers ATV tours and known for the first planted Pinot Noirs in Santa Barbara County. The Tyler May Winery offers a private tasting room experience and an architectural digest-worthy property that makes you feel like you've stepped into an oasis. Welcome everybody, we are at the Tyler Winery. This is an exclusive wine venue by appointment only. They make some of the best Pinot Noirs here, Syrahs, and even sparkling wines.
And Chardonnay, don't forget.
And we're gonna take you inside the tasting room. It is gorgeous.
And the wines, top class.
What's your favorite winery in the region? Comment below. Now let's talk about pairing that wine with some delicious cuisine. And no, I'm not just talking about artisan cheeses and charcuterie, but barbecue. The famous tri-tip was invented in nearby Santa Maria, as legend has it. It's a triangular steak known for being flavorful and tender. Before it was popularized in the 50s, it was mostly used for stews and ground beef. The locals told us about a famous weekend barbecue pop-up restaurant called Predite. Be sure to check them out on your trip to Lompoc. And don't forget to bring a bottle of Pinot Noir, which pairs perfectly with this meal. If you're looking for a delicious lunch spot, check out Coastal Grinds Cafe. They have a fun tiki room theme inside, and their sandwiches are delicious. We got the turkey avocado on ciabatta bread. Next is the world-famous Halama burger found at Halama State Beach. Now the word got out on this one as it took 1 hour to wait for our delicious cheeseburger, but it was well worth the wait. We just got the Halama cheeseburger. How good does that look with the shredded lettuce? Hey guys, by the way, if you're liking this video, like and subscribe down below. Now for the downtown. The downtown has a slow pace and it's known for its murals of Lompoc. We are checking out the murals in the downtown, and this one is paying homage to the winemaking history. Most of the activity happens around 8th Street or Ocean Avenue, and just note that most stores close around 8 p.m. Agriculture is a major part of the economy here in Lompoc. It's known for its fruit stands and farm stands. Sunday is the farmers market, but along almost every road you'll notice they're growing something from artichokes, broccoli, celery to strawberries. The beaches here are unspoiled. To get to the coast, you can take Halama Road, which is a beautiful, windy country road, very popular with motorcyclists. You can get a glimpse at what California used to look like before it was developed. Along the coast, you'll notice a large headland called Point Conception, which is an important demarcation for the currents. Anything north of here, you'll get the Alaska current, which is very cold. And anything south of here, you'll get the warmer Mexican currents. One beach's name is a misnomer, and that's Surf Beach. It made it to the top 10 list of beaches with sharks. While it's not recommended to swim at Surf Beach, the beach we do want to point you to is Halama State Beach, which is famous for camping and, of course, that Halama burger. It's a family-friendly and dog-friendly beach, and the waters are perfect for swimming. Now let's talk about rockets. Lompoc is also known for the Vanderberg Spaceforce Base, one of 6 Space Force bases in the US currently. SpaceX launches from here, and it offers great viewing options from a number of different locations in Lompoc, which are featured on the Explore Lompoc website. While the Space Force Base doesn't typically provide tours, one of the coolest things you can do is watch the rockets from the sky. If you visit Lompoc during spring, you'll notice the flower fields. There's also the Flower Festival in June. The flower industry dates back to the 1900s, and Lompoc is the flower seed capital of the world. 80% of flowers in the United States come from California, and half of that comes from Santa Barbara County. Now for the weather. Lompoc enjoys a Mediterranean, cool climate with breezes and morning fog. The temperatures do drop quite a bit at night and the early morning, and the hottest area is Happy Valley. Now for a little hotel tour of the Hilton Garden Inn. Welcome to the Hilton Garden Inn in Lompoc. Look at this beautiful, spacious room we have. Now, time for a celebration. Lompoc and the Santa Barbara County are known for a number of different wine industry events and culinary events. One of our favorites is Wine and Fire, which is held in August. It's a chance to sample a number of different wineries. Many of the different wineries host dinner events as well, so be sure to check their website or the Explore Lompoc website listed in the description below.
Thank you for tuning in. We can't wait to hear about all of your Lompoc adventures. Like, subscribe. Send us any future suggestions. We love this region and we hope you do too. We'll see you. Run the Atlas.
See you in the next one.